All right, folks. Just want to do a quick video. I know I already did a video earlier, but we got Bitcoin coming in at 22,644. Absolutely incredible. Up over $1,000 in a day. Weren't we just at like 17,000, 18,000 just a few days ago? And this video basically is just to make the point that no matter how depressing things get in the crypto space, it doesn't last forever. Now, are we going to go up to $25,000 from here, or are we going to dump back down to 18? That's not what this video is about. I really have no idea. And to be honest with you, it's completely irrelevant. The point is to show you we eventually pump. You know, it's kind of like that saying, what goes up must come down. Well, in crypto, what goes down must come up, as long as you're in a good quality project. We got Cardano coming in almost at 37 cents, up 8% for the day. Solana's pumping hard. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole, especially at this price. But for trading wise, hey, look, congratulations to people who are trading Solana. Matic, we got over $1. Litecoin, just over $90. And let's look at some really big pumpers. I just saw that Theta, well, let's go with VeChain first. VeChain was up 10% just a few minutes ago. Double-digit gain for VeChain. As you guys know, big fan of VeChain. A lot of these coins that were hit the hardest will pump the hardest when we go bullish. And Theta is now over $1 at $1.02. I picked up a crap ton at 73 cents. So, you know, it's hard. It's hard to buy coins when they're down because you think they're going to keep going down. But like I've said, if you're waiting for lower prices, what you're going to do is you're going to be chasing. And one reason that Bitcoin and all these coins are up right now is from all the people chasing. People think they're going to get lower prices, and then it just keeps going up, and people just follow back into Bitcoin and all these other cryptos because they're chasing. And a lot of these people sold at the lows, and now they have to buy back in higher. Bitcoin coming in at 22,600, absolutely incredible. So what you're witnessing today is what I've been seeing in the crypto space for the last 5 years. You know, it's just very common. Bitcoin runs really hard, and then the altcoins follow. If Bitcoin continues to go up, if we get up to like $23,000, $24,000 and we stay there, you're going to see these altcoins go even crazier. You're going to see Cardano back up to $1, 75 cents to $1. You're going to see Theta back over $2. I mean, that's just the way it goes. Sure, we could dump right back down to 18,000 and get rejected, but the thing is, it doesn't even matter because it goes to show, even if we dump back down to 18,000, you know we're eventually going to come back up. And if we do, that's an opportunity to buy, like I've been saying. A couple days ago, I bought a bunch of Cardano at 32 cents because I just did not see this bull run coming. You just feel the sentiment changing, and I'm glad I did. I wouldn't be surprised if Cardano's back over 40 cents by this evening. So really all depends on Bitcoin, but you have a lot of good news coming for Cardano. You have the rumor that Charles Hoskinson might be buying CoinDesk, which would absolutely, like, the price would go up like a rocket ship if that happened. You have that DJed stablecoin coming out this month. There's so much good stuff coming for Cardano this month. On top of this pump, you combine that on top of Bitcoin pumping, we could have a really good month for Cardano. And like I said, I made a video earlier. I said Cardano is not going to be in the 30-cent range forever. I said Theta is not going to be under $1 forever. You know, Bitcoin's not going to be under $25,000 forever. That's the way it goes, folks. And I know, the reason I know a lot of you guys were afraid to buy is because a lot of people don't even respond to my text messages anymore. A lot of people I was talking to in the bull run who basically sought me out because I knew I was in crypto, they basically just stopped talking to me altogether. So I know people cashed out of this market and they're waiting for lower prices. And the problem is, every bull run, they're the people that don't make any money. It happens every single time. I was almost one of those people last bull run, but I got back in. During that COVID dump, I sold a lot of my position. And it was funny, like the next day after the COVID dump, I see everything going up and I just piled back in. If I didn't do that, I would have made nothing. So, you know, the trick is just not to sell. It's really you sell in the bull market. You don't sell the dumps. Never sell the dump unless you're in a coin that you know is going to zero. Then you can sell the dumps. So anyway, everything's looking really good. This is a good night. We're probably going to have a good weekend for Bitcoin. We're probably going to be very volatile. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know. You know, I was really expecting Bitcoin to be kind of kind of shitty for the first half of 2023, but a pump to 25,000 was definitely not out of the question. Now, you know, I mentioned in my earlier video with Gareth Soloway, he thought we might be able to get up to 25,000 and dump from there. But if we dump from 25,000, what does that mean? 25,000 back down to like what, 23,000, 22,000? That's not too bad. The key for me is I want to be above $20,000. I want Bitcoin to be above 20,000. I don't want to go back below 20,000 because that was the previous all-time high in 2017. And I think it's like a mental thing in people's heads. But right now we're well above it. All the tech stocks that have to do with Bitcoin are absolutely going crazy. Everything Bitcoin and crypto related is doing crazy. So, yeah, folks, it is what it is. You know, if you were waiting for lower price, if you were waiting for an $8,000 Bitcoin or a $12,000 Bitcoin, let this be a lesson to you. Maybe we'll get a dump back down to 20,000. You can pick some up. But throughout my, 5-6 years in crypto, everybody in a bear market who waits for lower prices doesn't make any money. Yeah, sure. In a bull market, you sell and you wait for that 80% dump, that 70% dump, then you start buying back in. But I made this analogy yesterday. We were right here and we dumped all the way down to here. And people are waiting to go down a little bit farther before they buy in. But we've already come down this much. What's it matter? That little bit, that risk you're taking just to come down a little bit more, and you lose so much in gains. So anyway, like I said, I don't know what's going to happen. We could be back down to $18,000 next week. I don't know, but things are looking very, very bullish right now. And I wouldn't be surprised if Theta's at $1.25 next week and Cardano's back above 40 cents. So we'll see what happens. Like and subscribe.